you're on the go and you want to download a playlist of songs or videos that you'd like to binge while you're out and about. It's much simpler than you think. So here is how you can download a playlist onto your mobile phone. Okay, so you launch the YouTube app, you go to the channel that you want to download a playlist from, or if you've got your own playlist, you would go to your channel, click on playlists, find the playlist that you want to download. So in this case I'm going to use the ugly truth about YouTube, and then there is a little download icon right there, in which if you click it, it will tell you that it's being downloaded. The little circle icon goes round and round, and when you are done you will find it under library, downloads, and you'll see it there, downloading 10, 11, 12%, and when you are ready, that will now be available offline, so you can play it without any data. So what you can do is make an entire playlist of your favourite songs or your favourite motivational things, download it, and you're off to the races. Now if you want to save individual videos, or if you want to make a backup of videos, watch this video here.